dudes. So obviously it's been a while, and I'll explain later, but it's been a while since I've driven the car because I've been away for work. So the cold start was a little rough, not really. It's been about like 3-4 weeks, and the car is pretty damn dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, look at that. Well, it's all good. I'm gonna wash her later today, but the most important thing, as you can see by the thumbnail, is we're gonna be putting in some Viking double adjustable shocks or coils. You know, it's like 2-in-1, and also gonna put upper and lower control arms because the stock ones are pretty much done. Yeah, still feels good to hear the car, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna feel good driving it. I just gotta take it easy right now because, like I said, the stock control arms are pretty bad. So yeah, let's go get these parts installed. So like I said, I gotta take it easy because I can definitely feel that these control arms are pretty bad, because like when I flip the throttle or if I get on it, I can legit feel the rear end swaying. Like, you know, when you're spinning the car, but in this case it's not spinning. Alright, so made it. As you can see, me and my brother already set it up because even though it's almost October, you know, it's pretty damn hot still. So yeah, we got the tent right here. Put this little like tarp, zip tied, and we are set. We're gonna be working over there, so got all the shade over there. And here is the parts. Yeah, but let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I ordered. Alright, so if you guys are wondering what I ordered, here is the exact parts and whatnot. There's a price, obviously super expensive, but whatever. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start opening the stuff. You get, like I said, if you guys need to look at this, you could always come back to the video, screenshot it, whatever. Alright, so I already opened up everything. As you can see, this is a lower control arm. This is an upper control arm. This one is adjustable. And then in here, this is for the Viking shocks or coilovers. In here is spherical bushing for the upper control arm. This is to take off the bushings. It's a tool. Here are the springs, 10-inch springs. I got these rated at 10 inches and 150 spring rate. And then here is a Viking shock, and there's adjustable knobs, compression, rebound, and then I also got these to adjust the springs, and some hardware for the upper and lower control arms. So yeah, that's everything. Looks like a lot of stuff, but hopefully it's not that hard to install because we don't have that much time left. Well, sort of. Oh, and one more thing. I was told by the guys over at UPR to use a silicone-based lubricant, so I just got this. He said doesn't matter what it is or whatever. He says as long as it's silicone-based lube or grease. So got this, and that's gonna be for the control arms. Yo, what's up guys? So like I said, just gonna talk about the car and what I'm gonna do to it, and also let you guys take a look at it because it's been a minute, but it's super dirty. Look, watch this. You guys see that? All that black stuff. There's a bunch of fingerprints on the car, especially because we were putting all those parts last night, or the past 2 days, like a day and a half. But car's looking good still, man. You guys probably don't notice, but the rear is lower because of those Viking coilovers in the back. So definitely sits lower in the back, like squatting, and I don't have to worry about my tire rubbing because I mean it's a stiff suspension. So well, I'm in control of how stiff and how soft I want it, right? But oh yeah, freaking alarms. Yeah, so like I said, this is pretty stiff. I can barely fit, what, like 2 fingers in here? Barely. And in the front, it's a little bit lower. It's about the same. But yeah, man, car felt pretty damn solid on the little test hit I did, the dig. But I mean, it does grind going into second gear from first to second. Only on wide open throttle though. You know, normal driving, it doesn't grind. But I definitely think that trans is taking a beating. You guys are probably wondering where the heck I've been. Look at this handprint. You guys are probably wondering where I've been. And one word is work. I've pretty much been out of town working. I was in Florida and then Indiana, and now I'm back in Texas. Right now I'm about 9 hours away from home working, and obviously not right now when you're watching this video. I'm at home, but I'm leaving today, so I won't be back home for about another month. So just bear with me on the vids, but I'm not quitting. I'm saving up for boost, so you guys will see this car boosted hopefully before the new year. And I'm pretty close to getting a kit already. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it's gonna be exactly, but here, I'll pop the hood. But some of you guys know what I'm gonna get. I want you to try and comment, see, take a guess what you think I'm gonna get. Damn, it's super dirty. Just ignore it. Ignore it. Just try to take a guess of what I'm gonna get. The car is pretty much almost completely set up for boost. I already have ID 1050X injectors, so ready for boost. I have a fuel system, the injectors, a return style fuel system, and then in the rear I have twin 465 pumps, so that's gonna be more than enough. And I just got those Viking coilovers in the rear, double adjustable shocks. And I got the upper and lower control arms. All I'm missing for the rear end is a diff and the 31 spline axles. That's gonna be next, probably one of the next things I order. And the car is pretty much gonna be, like I said, ready and set for boost. The other thing, of course, is maybe building the trans, but it should be able to hold up, I hope. If not, we'll just get it rebuilt. So like I said, everything's pretty much ready to go. Of course, just need a little bit more time at work and we'll be ready to go. Again, I'm sorry for not posting a lot. It's just because I'm literally not home and, you know, I'm working. These car parts, all of this stuff, it's not free, you know. I gotta work for it. Nothing's handed to me. But I just want to say thank you to my dad, because all these parts, everything that usually goes on the car, my dad always helps me always put it on. And, you know, that's not very common for everyone. You know, most of the guys got to take their stuff to a shop, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just pretty lucky, you know. My dad helps me put everything on the car, and at the same time I'm, you know, learning and hot rodding outside on jack stands. I don't have a lift, so, you know, we stay humble. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys liked it. It's kind of all over the place. It's pretty hard to film and install parts, you know. Hope you guys enjoyed and understand that, and just be on the lookout. Just stay tuned, because I'm gonna boost this thing pretty soon. You know, I want it boosted for boost season, so But we'll see. Definitely gonna try and do it before the year ends. So that being said, y'all stay on the lookout. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for all the support as always. Peace.